Dolly? Dolly is having strawberry for dessert. Yummy. Is that good? And banana. Hello, Dolly. You're not going to talk with your mouth full? Well, that's very good. Oh. You're really loving that strawberry? Yes. Is that a treat for you? You happy girl? You happy? Oops, a daisy. You happy girl? Wow, what a close-up I've got. Lucky me. Oh, you gonna dance? Is it dance time? Dolly's dance time. You gonna party like it's 1999. Do, 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 do. You're a funny girl, Dolly. We love you. You're still chewing away on that strawberry? Yes, you are. Oh, where are you going? Oh, no, back for the camera. You're hamming it up from the camera. Where is the strawberry? Oh, it's over there. It's a pretty girl. So Dolly is how old?
I think 2 years.
2 years old.
2 or 3 years old.
When she's a rescue bird. She's calmed down heaps. She used to have a little problem. Are you upside down there, Dolly? Or is it me? But anyway, she's a
Indian ringneck.
Indian
Ringneck.
ringneck. And in the sunlight, the green in her and her colours comes out beautiful. She's learned to talk a bit instead of squawk. Talk instead of squawk, hey Dolly? Yes, you have. And you love to dance. There's no music on right now. Sorry, sweetheart. Dance
You
time.
excited?
Excited? You're excited because you got strawberry.
Yeah.
And banana. You're just so happy. What are you doing?
Come up here. Come up here, silly. Say hi.
Come up and say hello to the camera. Yes. You are a little movie star, our Dolly. I used to always sing Dolly.
Just
Well, hello, Dolly.
You had some red on your chin.
It's so nice to have you back where you belong. She's listening. She used to get the poops for any reason. So, yeah. She's a very calm bird now. Very happy girl, aren't you? 6 months ago, I could have throttled her because she would just squawk and be distressed.
No, it's been a year.
About a year?
Yeah.
It's taken a while. Yeah, because she wasn't brought up in the best of circumstances. But, oh, yeah.
You dancing?
And she's dancing. You gotta say, hello, YouTubers. Hey, out there in the world. From Australia, down under. Anyway, we've had our Dolly time. Love to all. You don't want to say anything, Dolly, before we go? Nothing to say? Still got your mouth full of strawberry? No, nothing to say.
Just wants to dance.
You just want to dance. You just want to... Oh, no. Yes, well, actually, we do. I brought some pears for Dolly today that were, like, marked down because a few were a bit off. So, I don't know whether fermented pear would make her a little drunk, like birds do that. It is a fact, isn't it? Hey, that they will eat on purpose fermented fruit. Oh, well, off fruit.
Come up here.
Where is she?
Say hi.
Off
Come say hi.
fruit to get drunk. So is it in our nature? I mean, the koalas, the eucalyptus leaves, and that makes them, the side effect for them is they're like wasted, like stones, as one would say, like they're on weed or something. They're just, that's what it does, and hey, that's what they do. But anyway, Dolly, yeah, you've got some fermented pears. You might be partying later on anyway, hey? All right, so goodbye, YouTube. Goodbye, all our wonderful friends out there. Love to all. Bye for now. Cheers.